When you think about AI these days, what probably comes to mind is the artist, right? This creative genius that can just whip up a stunning painting or a really clever poem in a matter of seconds. But behind all that visible creative magic, there's a whole other AI at work. This one is less of an artist and more like a high-speed Wall Street trader, making billion-dollar decisions in literally the blink of an eye. So let's pull back the curtain on this invisible, super high-stakes world. And that really is the big question, isn't it? We see the art, we read the text, but what about those invisible, lightning-fast auctions that are happening every single time you open a web page? Well, it turns out that same kind of AI technology is running the show there too. And believe me, it is playing for keeps.
All right, so first, let's start on some familiar ground. Let's talk about the AI we've all seen and, let's be honest, probably played around with ourselves. I'm talking about that creative powerhouse we call generative AI.
So, at its core, what is generative AI? Well, it's not just an analyst, it's a creator. It basically studies these massive libraries of human-made content, books, art, videos, you name it, and then it generates something totally new, following the patterns it learned, but producing a completely original output. And this slide just nails the key difference. You can think of traditional AI as the detective. It's analyzing all the clues in the data to predict what you might buy next. Generative AI, on the other hand, is the artist. It's creating a brand new ad from scratch, one that's designed just for you. So one analyzes and the other creates. It's a simple but really powerful distinction. And what's wild is that this creative power has just exploded into this huge toolkit of specialized models. I mean, we've got GPT-4 for writing just about anything, DALL-E for stunning images, and even Google's Music LM for composing original music. It's like having an entire digital creative agency, all powered by algorithms. And listen, this isn't just some theory or a cool tech demo. Major brands are already putting these tools to work. Take Coca-Cola, for example. They launched this whole campaign called Create Real Magic, where they invited people to use AI to generate new art featuring their classic branding. It's a pretty fascinating way to blend a truly historic brand with the absolute cutting edge of technology.
So, how is all this creative power being harnessed? Well, in the world of marketing, it's quickly becoming a true superpower.
For businesses, this is so much more than just a cool new toy. It offers a serious competitive edge. It can boost creativity, it makes producing content way more efficient, it allows for this hyper-personalization at a massive scale, and of course, it can lead to some pretty significant cost savings. It's like a quadruple threat. And you can really see the impact in what major players are saying. A general manager over at Mitsubishi pointed out how AI's interpretation of their data gave them unexpected good news stories they could then use in their marketing. It's all about finding those little golden nuggets of insight that a human might have easily missed. And really, at the end of the day, that's the goal. AI is shifting marketing from a broad broadcast, shouting with a megaphone to a huge crowd, to a one-on-one conversation. It's like having a personal assistant for every single customer, one that knows their preferences and crafts messages that feel uniquely relevant and valuable to them. So, all this personalized content, this is the front stage performance. It's the part of AI in marketing that we actually see. But the real high-stakes action, the part that decides which ad you actually get to see in the first place, that's all happening completely behind the scenes, totally out of sight. I mean, think about it for a second. Every single time you load a web page or open an app, there are literally thousands of advertisers all vying to show you their ad. So how is the winner chosen? Who gets that valuable little piece of real estate on your screen? The answer is, it's an auction. A lightning-fast, totally automated bidding war where companies are competing for your attention. And this isn't people in a room with paddles. It's being fought by algorithms that act like superhuman stock traders for ad space. And the whole thing is over and done in the time it takes the page to load. It's incredible. But winning this war is unbelievably complex. For one, the market is changing constantly, so yesterday's data can be totally misleading. Trying out new bidding strategies is also super risky. I mean, you could blow your entire budget in seconds. And through it all, the system has to obey these really strict rules, trying to maximize value without ever overspending. So how in the world do you build an AI that can win this complex, high-speed war? Well, to solve these exact challenges, researchers at Meituan, that's one of the world's biggest food delivery platforms, they developed a totally groundbreaking new system. They call it GRAD. It stands for Generative Reward-Driven Ad Bidding. And it's a foundational model specifically designed to master the art of the auto bidding auction. It uses these generative techniques to make smarter, faster, and ultimately much more profitable decisions.
Now, one of its secret weapons, and this is really cool, is what they call a mixture of experts approach. So instead of having one single AI trying to know everything, Grad has a whole team of specialized AIs. One might be an expert on bidding on weekends, another on weekday mornings, maybe another on holiday sales. The system then routes each auction to the right specialist to get the best possible advice in that moment.
And here's basically how it operates. First, it learns from just mountains of historical data to see the patterns. Then it safely explores new strategies to adapt to what's happening in the market right now. Next, it predicts the value of every single possible bid while always respecting the budget. And finally, it acts, placing the winning, most cost-effective bid all in a tiny fraction of a second.
Okay, so the theory sounds incredible, right? But does it actually work in the real world? Let's look at the actual results from when they deployed it at Meituan. Let's get to the bottom line.
First up, the big one, return on investment, a staggering 10.68% increase. To put that plainly, for every single dollar they spent on ads, Grad brought back almost 11% more revenue. At the kind of scale Meituan operates at, that is a massive financial win. It also drove a more than 2% increase in gross merchandise value. That's basically the total value of everything sold on the platform. So smarter bidding didn't just save money, it directly fueled the company's growth right at the top line. And honestly, this might be the most impressive part. It achieved all of these huge gains while becoming more disciplined. Its ability to stick to the budget constraints improved by over 5%. I mean, think about that. It made more money while being more careful with its spending. That's pretty much the holy grail. And you have to remember, this is not a lab experiment. This is happening right now at one of the largest delivery platforms on the entire planet, handling millions and millions of these auctions. It is definitive proof that the operational side of AI is just as powerful, if not more so, than the creative side we see every day. Which leaves us with one final, pretty big thought. The exact same AI technology that can paint a masterpiece is also winning these microscopic, high-speed bidding wars to decide which restaurant ad you see for dinner. So the real question is, what other critical decisions are being made by these incredibly powerful systems just beyond our view?